So Rodney's not responding again to his collar. At exactly the same sodding point as last time. And look, I was just telling Wendy about the story of when Rodney got stuck behind the tree. Now, I don't know what to say. So, there's a hole there he can come under. There's a hole there that he can... Rodney, come through here. Rodney, come here. Rodney, Stan, go and get your brother. So Stan's going to go and get... Rodney, Stanley, Stan. Where's Rodney? Right, when can I give you that?
You can.
It's recording.
Oh, hello. Okay.
Right, so...
How are you going to get him out?
Right, Rodney. I don't understand, mate. Rodney, come through here. Rodney, what's this? Rodney, what's this? Come here. Rodney. Rodney, what's this? Rodney. Hello. What's this? Come.
God. Is this what you had to do last time?
Yeah.
I was giving him a cuddle. He was like, help, mummy, help.
No, don't touch me. Well, jump down then. Jump.
And she comes out. Well done.